Hey, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, if you're the schedule your Microsoft certification exam using the Pearson VUE this platform, or if you're the taking the exam from the home, then please watch this video before your exam. So friends, many students prepare well, complete the system test before the exam day, but still on the exam day their mic not working, or the camera not detected, or the video streaming suddenly get failed. So this in this video I will explain, and also I will show you why this issue will be happen, and if this issue will be happen, then how we can fix them easily, so before the exam day or the during your examination. So because of this issue, many professional or the many people not even start the exam and unfortunately lose their exam attempt. So if you want not lose your exam attempt, then watch this video completely. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family members. Also hit the bell icon for the more update on the Microsoft certification. So friends, I already created one video how to give the Microsoft certification exam using the person with this platform. So friends, in that video I have given the all the complete detail about the examination before the exam day, how we can set up the OnVUE platform, how we can check the internet speed, how we can check the system test like the microphone, your video, audio, all these things. Then after the exam, before the exam day, how we can check the complete the system test. All these things I have completed. So before the exam day, you can watch this video, and that link I have given in a description box. So friends, in that video I have received the multiple comments from my viewers. So first of all, I will thank you all my viewers for their valuable feedback. It will be really motivate for me for my next video. Then in that video, the basically some comments like the application system test will be failed. Then some users will be saying that I got the problem for my camera and the video streaming. Then some comments for the exam upload internet speed, it will be very slow. Then some user will be asking that can I use the mobile hotspot for the internet. Then some user will be asking that for the I'm scheduled the exam using the Microsoft email, like the company Microsoft email, and I want to give the exam using the personal laptop, so can I, it will be possible or not. Then some user will be asking that everything is fine during the before the exam day, but on the actual exam day it said that I'm not audible. So this is also issue with your mic. Then some user will be saying that for the QR code, for the from the mobile there is a third party application, it will be required or not. So all this question I will try to explain in this video. Now we will check that why those issue will be happen. So friends, if you have already completed your system test, then still you will get the issue during your examination. So friends, there is a four type of the major issue, then we will check the one by one. So the first one is the system test failure. So basically before the exam day you have completed system test, but if you wrongly complete the system test, then definitely during the exam you will get this issue. Then, second number, streaming requirement. So friends, if you need the stable internet connection, but if you have the not use the stable internet connection, then definitely your video streaming will get disconnected. So in this video I will suggest you some the tips for that. So the third one is the hardware not detected. The hardware like the webcam, microphone, or the speaker. So before the exam day, if you are using the another application for the camera like your Zoom application or the Teams or the any other application, so that time there is a hardware issue will be happen. So the fourth and last one is the network restriction. So friends, many time if you are giving the exam using the private network, like the if you are using the company network or the any private network, that time the network restriction will be happen, your firewall will be block the examination, or the sometime your the LAN connection, it will be not properly working. So those issue will be happen, and that time you will get the issue during your examination. Friends, apart from that, there is a common causes of the camera and video streaming failure your OnVUE platform. So friends, for the examination, camera blocked by the privacy setting or the physical shutter, so this issue will happen. Many another application using the camera like the Zoom, Teams, that I already told you. Then outdated or the missing camera driver, so this will be also causing the issue. Then insufficient network bandwidth or unstable internet connection, this will be also causing your video streaming issue. Then firewall or the antivirus blocking by the OnVUE this application. then use the VPN or the proxy or the corporate network. So many time you are giving the exam using the corporate network, that time there is a one restriction. Then multiple monitor or the unsupported devices like the tab, then touch screen, so this is will not allow during the examination. Then permission not granted on the OnVUE, especially for the Mac OS, this issue will be happen. So those are the issue. And last one is the running OnVUE on the unsupported operating system or the virtual machine. So this is the issue that will be fail your examination. So friends, still it we have checked that why those issue will happen. Now we will check if you receive this issue or if you got this issue, then how we can step by step process for the troubleshooting those issues. Now we will check. First one is run the OnVUE system test early. So friends, complete the system test. First of all, you can open the email that you receive from the OnVUE platform. There is a test your system. This is a link. Just click on that link. Now you will redirect to the OnVUE platform. So this is the OnVUE platform where we need to download the OnVUE application. So there is the one tick mark. So you can just complete all the tick mark. So this is a tick mark for the your the display screen or the charging, then for the network, this all these things, and lastly understood. Then after that you can click on the check mark, then click on the next. Now next is the copy access code. So this is the access code that you need to provide for the OnVUE platform. Then there is the one link, download the OnVUE application. So click on the download. Now the application will be start for the downloading. So this is the exe file. We need to install this file on your system. Once the file will be downloaded, then we can run the OnVUE platform and you can start this examination. So now click on the download option. So there is the one exe file. Just right click on it and run it administrator. In the background the application will be started, and here confirm your access code. So you can just paste your access code that you copy from the web browser, then click on the next. Now next, once you click on the next, then it will redirect for the system test. So first of all, microphone. So you can select the microphone from the top down. If not detected, just click on the choose microphone and you can just test the microphone setting. Clipping. So basically start the microphone check. So now you can check there is a green tick mark or the red tick mark. So if you receive the green tick mark, then it will be working fine. Then speaker also, you can just test your speaker. After that webcam, so you can just complete the integrated webcam. So if you are not detected, then you can select the from the drop down, then click on the next. Now it will be system test for the network check. So as per the your connection, the network connection, it will be taking the time. So basically I will suggest you can use the instead of the Wi-Fi network, you can use the LAN connection. So it will be better. So it will be taking time based on your network speed. Once you completed the network connection network test, then you can click on the next. Now the system test will be for the exam simulation. So whatever the requirement required file will be required, all the file will be downloaded in your system. So this is also again based on your internet speed. This file will be completed. Now you can check there is a exam simulation completed successfully. Then after that you can click on the next. Now this is the system test for the exam simulation secure browser test. So whatever close all the Windows application, then you can just only the one monitor will be allowed. So all these things, so you can just close all the other application manually. So you can just close all these things, not use the corporate network or the VPN. So this VPN network also not allowed. Then after that there is a test option. So once you click on the test, there is the one issue with your some application, like you can check there is the one ultra viewer will be service will be running. So this will be not allow for the on that system because of the this is the one issue. Or if you are the using like the team viewer or the anything, so that will be uninstalled before the exam. So you can first of all uninstall those application that not allowed, and after that you can resolve the issue and click on the restart button. So in my case I have already installed this application. So once I uninstall this application, then it will be working fine. So for that you can just go to the control panel, and in the control panel just search this application, like then search this application and simply uninstall. So I will just show you. So you can just uninstall the application, and then you can, whatever the application that harmful or that will be detected by these things, then you can just remove from your system. Then second one is the fixed camera and microphone issue. So friends, this is the one important thing, that close all the application that use for the webcam, like the Zoom, Teams or Skype. So before the exam day, you can close all the application. You can just remove the permission for the camera. Then second with the check Windows privacy setting. For the setting, go to the setting, then go to the privacy and the camera. So first of all, you can go to the setting, then privacy. Once you click on the privacy, then you can click on the camera. So click on the privacy, and after that you can scroll down. App permission, there is the location, there is the camera and microphone. So we will complete one by one. So for the camera, just select the allow app to the access your camera. So you can simply selected it on the on option will be selected, and you can check the camera option will be accessed by the what different applications. So you can check all the application using your camera. So before the exam day, you can just off the permission for those applications. So the OnVUE platform, so already you have given the permission. Then secondly, you can check the for the microphone same way. So you just click on the microphone, and there is option allow app access your microphone. So you can just switch on the setting, and you can also scroll down and other the application other than the OnVUE. So you can just remove the permission. Then you can go below, and you can just simply check this permission for the OnVUE application is there or not. So the third one is use only one camera, or you can disable the virtual or the secondary camera. So friends, many time what happen, the camera issue will be happen whenever you use the external camera. So that time you can use the only one camera at a one time. Now third one is the solve the video streaming failure is this issue. So friends, enable the stable internet connection for the minimum 1 Mbps upload and download speed. So the next one is the connect via the wire Ethernet instead of the Wi-Fi connection. So you can avoid the Wi-Fi connection. If you have the already there is the Ethernet connection or the LAN connection, then you can use this connection for your internet. Then next one, disable the VPN proxy or the firewall temporary. So during your exam or before the exam, you can disable all your VPN or the proxies or the firewall setting. Then fourth one, network and firewall adjustment. So we need next one is the turn off the restrict the firewall rules and the antivirus blocking. So friends, if you are using the antivirus or if you are using the firewall, so you can just turn off those setting before the exam. So friends, for the stable internet connection, you can restart the router before the exam for the clean connection. Next one, then for the avoid the public Wi-Fi. So basically use the home or the personal hotspot if needed. So you can just avoid all the public Wi-Fi. Instead of that, you can use the home or the personal hotspot. Then we will check the general best practice for the examination. So first one is the restart your PC before the examination. If you are using the laptop or the any system, so just restart your the system before the exam. Then next one, use the same device for the system test and examination. So friends, many time what happen, you will complete the system test on the another laptop or the system, and during the exam you will use the another app, another system. So this will be wrong. So you can use the same system for the your system test and the examination. So friends, if you receive the any issue, you can keep your phone nearby. So Pearson VUE this support maybe call you if any issue will be happen. So friends, still during the exam or the before the exam day, if you are the getting the issue and that issue will be not resolved, then how can connect Pearson VUE this support team for the global or the India location. So for the contacting the Pearson VUE this support team, so for the first one, global support. So if you want global support, you can go to the live chat available in a 4x7 via the Pearson VUE this website. Then second is the phone on the register phone number also is there. So you can just click call on the register phone number. Also email. So you can just go to the OnVUE platform. There is the one email ID also is there. Then for the India support for the during the examination, so there is a multiple the contact number is given. I will given the all the detail in a video description. You can also check and you can contact the person with the support team. So thank you friends for the watching this video. If you have the any query, any question, you can mention in a comment box. Also, if you feel this video helpful, please hit the like button. Also share this video with your friends. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon for the more update on the Microsoft certification. So thank you and wish you happy learning.